We have this fun new thing on Zoom that we discovered. So if you go down to video and click on the arrow that points up, notice that there's some choices: blur background. Um, you can choose a virtual background. And when you go into choose virtual background, so I can all of a sudden be in San Francisco, Golden Gate Bridge. I can add a border of my choosing, and I've got this fun new thing here called avatars. So I can be a cow if I want. Moo. Or I can be a kitty cat, and right now I'm gonna be a kitty cat. So here I am. I'm using my hands. You can't see that, but I am using my hands to talk. But I can see that you're engaged. If you're looking over in this direction and not paying attention, we can tell that. But you can eat. I was just having a quick sip of my drink. And you can pick your nose. No one will know. If you decide to leave the room, I'm ducking under my desk right now. It's catching up. There we go. We will know that you are not here. So that's our fun new avatar feature.